I would like to explain you once more the real application of Ceracoat surface protection. We see sometimes some difficulties from people. It's important that the surface is clean. So I have here an absorbent surface. It has to be clean and it has to be dry. If you have a non-absorbent surface like glass or treated wood, it's the same. It has to be dry and clean. Normally when you have an absorbent surface, as mentioned on the labels of the products on the back side, make a drop of water test. This means you put a drop of water on the surface. I will not do it because this shoe is already treated with Ceracoat. It's just to show. You put a drop of water on the surface and the water drop has to be absorbed immediately. If it is not absorbed immediately, that means that the surface is already treated with something, and then you have to wash it first. You can't treat it. When you spray on the surface, pay attention that you don't spray from 5 centimeters or from 1 meter. Spray from about 20 to 30 centimeters, and then you see here how the spray is going away, and then you spray on the surface, and this would already be enough. For example, here you see that there is a slight film on the surface. For example, here is a little bit too much product because there is a drop. Here is okay. You see very little drops and it's really a wet film. This means that this is already enough and it will work now. So you can, when you have to make a demonstration, take a hairdryer and dry that with a hairdryer with a distance of also 20 to 30 centimeters until it's really dry. And then it's very easy. Just check it. If it's water absorbent, so it's not dry. If it did not absorb the water, it's dry. And the results of that, when it's dry, even if you let it dry in the sun, then you have to wait probably 12 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, that depends on. I can't tell you it's 5 hours. It has to be dry. It can be dry over the night, that means in 1 day. And then the result, you know it already. I said it's a treated suit shoe. I will show you that with the water we have over there on the desk. It's the result you already know. You put the water on the shoe. The shoe takes the water. It doesn't absorb the water. It's completely water repellent. I can also leave it here for the whole day. It will never anymore absorb the water. It's completely water absorbent, water repellent. This is the result you will have, and you will have this result depending on how to use it, of course. If you have rain tomorrow and or the next 12 days also, and then the whole month, it's probably you have to treat it more. But the average is about 6 to 9 months, even 1 year. We have even treated shoes that are 2 years old. They still work. It depends on how you will use them or you will not use them. But this has to be the result. Very easy application and very great result.